You're willing to buy a property and a condo seems to be the best option because the price is lower than a house. In this video, I'm going to share pros and cons of buying and investing into a condo. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mona Arora and I have helped thousands of people buy and sell condo or townhouse in Fraser Valley. Please do subscribe to my channel and like this video because it will help other amazing people like you to find my YouTube channel. And of course, write in the comments if you have any questions and concerns. I'm here to serve you well. First, I want to start explaining to you what exactly a condo is. A condo, also called a condominium, is an individual unit within a community of other units. Condo owners jointly own shared common areas such as parking, hallways, lobby, elevators, pools, gyms, just to name a few. Condos are usually found in high-rise or in a low-rise buildings. Should you buy a condo as an investment? Well, suppose you're just starting to invest in real estate and limited on your down payment. Condos make it an excellent investment. Why so? Well, let me share with you some pros first, then we will dive right into some cons. First of all, easy to maintain. Since you're only responsible to maintain inside of your unit, it makes it a lot easier because exteriors are well maintained by the Strata Corporation. So, guess what? You don't have to worry about shoveling that snow or mowing that lawn. It's affordable. It needs less capital upfront, unlike a house or even a townhouse. Then, it is secure. What I mean by that? Well, most condos nowadays have fob systems to get access to the unit or to the building. Visitors would also need a buzzer number to have access, which makes it a lot more safer and secure. Bylaws that can preserve your investment property value. Condo rules and regulations help keep the community tidy, which benefits all owners. Alterations cannot be made to the unit inside or outside without the permission of a strata. Amenities. The first thing a tenant looks for when renting a condo is amenities. Easy access to amenities makes the condo very attractive. Amenities such as gym, pool, guest suites, clubhouse, etc. Ownership. Many strata restrict rental percentage and some do not even have rentals allowed, which makes the strata very attractive. Owners typically take better care of their property and the shared community resources. That translates into a more attractive investment for you. The pros of buying a condo are fantastic, as you can see. But now, let me share with you the cons. Bad neighbors that might make your life a little bit miserable. You may have neighbors above, beside, and below you that can be a little noisy. Sometimes, it can also damage your condo through leaks or molds. Condo rules might not give you the freedom you're looking for, such as rental, no pets, age restrictions, etc. Increasing condo fees and/or special assessments. Condo fees generally go up every few years or sometimes annually with the cost of inflation. In addition to monthly fees, you may get hit with an expensive one-time special assessment. An assessment is an additional fees assessed on each owner for special project, like repaving the parking lot, or could be for the roof. So if you don't budget for your increasing fees, you could get into a position where you can't afford the condo fees or special assessment. In addition to monthly fees, you may get hit with an expensive one-time special assessment. Selling may take longer. There can be a smaller pool of condo buyers than buyers for single home or single family homes. So when it's time to sell, you may be looking at more extended number of days on the market. But again, it all depends on the location. Condos in a hot area sell faster than houses, and you can tell that from this year's market. So should you buy a condo? If you are looking for a condo in a Fraser Valley, please give me a call. I will help you to have the best experience in the real estate market. Let's keep in touch. Please remember to subscribe for my channel to watch other videos that might help you to make the right decisions when you're selling or buying a condo or a townhouse. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.